Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to talk about how you can translate your text directly in Microsoft Word. So to be able to do this, I have generated a text with the AI, of course. It's a small story, and what I want to do is basically translate that text. So the way we're going to proceed, we will translate first of all one part of that text from English to any other language, well, from English to French, let's say. And then we'll translate the whole document from English to French once again. So the way it's gonna work, it's gonna be pretty simple. To be able to use the translate feature, first of all, you'll have to click on the review button right here. Once you clicked on it, you will see the translate feature that is just here. So when you click on it, you'll have access to two things. So you can translate a selection, or you can translate the whole document. So if we try out with the translate selection part, what you need to do, you need to select the part of the text that you want to translate. So in our first part of the text, we're going to translate this part right here that I have just selected. So we're gonna go on translate, click on it, and click on translate selection. Now once you have clicked on translate selection, what's gonna happen is that you will have the translator here that will appear. You'll be able to select the language of your text. So in our case here, we are translating from English. We want to translate from English to, in this case, let's say French. So French is just here. And now what we can do is simply click on the insert button. So as you can see here, it has all been translated. And what you can do now is simply click on the insert button. So once you click on it, as you can see, the text here has been changed from French to English, and now, well, the text is, well, this part of the text is in French, so you can check it. This part of the text is basically in French. All right, so once we have done this, the next part will be translating the whole document. So if we do it again, there we go. Now what we're gonna do, we don't have to select nothing. We can click on next on the translator. We can simply go once again on review. And now if we want to translate the whole document, the way we're gonna proceed is pretty simple. We click on translate and we click on translate document. So what's gonna happen now is that the whole Word document that you have will be translated. Now, the first thing, as always, you have to select the language from which you want to translate your document. And then the language you want to translate from English to, in this case, French. So to be able to do that. And then once it's selected, the next thing that you want to do is simply click on the translate button. So it might take a few seconds depending on how big your text is. So as you can see here, our text has been translated from French to English. So this is how you basically translate one text from a language to another language directly on Microsoft Word. So to summarize pretty much all the video, the way we have proceeded to do this translation was pretty simple. We went on the review tab. From the review tab, we simply selected translate to translate one section of our text. We selected the section and clicked on translate selection. And to translate the whole document, we simply clicked on translate document directly on Word. So I hope you guys like this video. So if you liked it, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.